Hey everyone, and welcome to the 27th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video I will show you the property of word. Okay, so we will explore the three main property which you can apply to the words in a text. Okay, so let me explain what I mean. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So as you can see here, we have a p tag, and in this there is a small a single line, okay, and there are few words in it, so we can like customize the words. Okay, so let's see how it is done. So uh, first of all, let's see the property of word spacing. Okay, so this is the first property, and as the name suggests, it will let you customize the space between the words. So if I just write 20 pixel here, you can see the gap, the space between individual words is now 20 pixel. If I just increase it to 200, you can see the gap or the space between the words is now 200 pixels. So you can use this in this way. Okay, and if I just write 0, you will see that it will just like it is not 0. Okay, the space is not 0 because it will not shrink below the default space. Okay, you can just like write the value above the default gap. Okay, so this is how it works. Let's see one more property, which is word break. Okay, so if I'll just write break all, and notice what will happen if I'll just save it. So you can see the C on the CSS is now in this upper upper sentence. Okay, so this is the property which break all does. Okay, so let's see one more which is inside this word break, and that is normal. Okay, so the normal, as the name suggests, it will just get back to the default. Okay, so as you can see, a default. And let me just show you one more example where you can use the word break. Okay, so if I'll just write width, and I will write 100 pixel. Okay, so as you can see here, this awesome and this tutorial are overflowing outside the box. So to make it inside the box, to correct it, what I will do, I will just write break all, and you can see now all the contents are inside the box. Okay, so this is one more example where you can use the break all property. Okay, so now let's see the last property. Okay, so that is word wrap. So this is similar to word break but something different. Okay, so if I'll just write break word, okay, break word, and you can see it will just do the same work as the break all, but there is some difference. Okay, so you will see what difference it is. If I'll just uncomment this and comment this, and now if I will save it, take a look at this. Okay, take a look at this, you will notice some difference. So if I'll just save it, you can see a difference, and that is what break all is different from the break word. Okay, in word wrap. So this is what differentiates it. Okay, so I will suggest, if you want to this like fit all the elements inside a box, you should use the word wrap. Okay, and put the word wrap into break word. Okay, instead of this break all. Okay, so this will work great. So yes guys, this is all in word properties, and there is nothing much. Okay, and the most like the useful one I would suggest, this is word wrap and the word spacing. Okay, alright, so yes, that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.